We're on the road again. Only this time we're not going very far. Some of you guys were giggling the other day when I used my Hyster forklift to move the limbs out of the yard so I could get the jailbird out. Well, I backed it up there where the drain to the swamp cooler goes, and there's a soft spot. Well, that's where it's been sitting ever since. So we will get out back of the shop here with the old karaoke. There's no room to do anything, so we're probably just gonna back the Cherokee up there and hook a snatch block up and tie off to whatever junk car I can find and see if we can get it pulled out of there. But we will take you along for the ride. Mercy, that's a tight fit. You know, it's a good thing we're doing a sale today. We're going to sell some cars. There's a whole bunch of them gonna get out of here, so see what we can do. Cut the whole top off, fill the roll cage in it. Oh, you got the soft one too. Oh, I brought the soft. Are they? Oh, you're just gonna hook me up right now, aren't you? Wow. 10,000 pound forklift with a 4,000 pound Jeep. Why not? It's got a pop out. The boys are gonna hook me up. They're pretty sure that the 4,000 pound Cherokee is going to just get pulled to the forklift because it weighs 10,000 pounds and it's buried in the dirt. So Cole's is gonna fix me up here on a junk car that we hope it has a park gear and a park brake. Overrated. All right, here we go. I better show you the forklift here. This is the drain to the swamp cooler right here, you see, and it's soft.
More trucks for sale on the sale?
There's a yellow Chevy Silverado, a Nissan Titan, and a Chevy Suburban, or Chevy Tahoe. So we got a little angle on that from here to there. So if anything happens, the cable should come right through here. Okay? Or it's gonna go over the hood, up through the A pillar, and over the top of the flag. There we go. So I'm gonna get on it and drive it. was dead X'd. About drug everything in the yard. She's out. We'll get back to work. Well, that was pretty cut and dry. No big deal. Just had to get the angle of the dangle right, get a snatch block on there, and give it a little extra leverage. So thanks for joining us down at the shop. We get our forklift stuck on occasion, especially when it starts raining and getting during the rainy season. So thanks for coming along for the ride. Back of that off.
Long enough.
Alright, well there's the old girl. Torsion spring instead of regular springs. They're a lot better off-road. Get the back bobbed off. Some plate on them. Alright, we got the old girl all boned out. We got it narrowed up, and then it's going to angle a little bit there to kind of tighten things up. The ramp's going to go in on these guide rails. We'll just pull it all out. It'll be its full width of the vehicle. Got everything trimmed down and done it up, and then you can see the torsion bar, torsion spring. Those are so great off-road. I mean, you can see when you move it. So they're great suspension designs. It's a little bit heavier in the front, but I think by the time I get rid of all of this angle iron, we're gonna plate it and everything, I think it'll be just about right. Here's the mess cut off. Got a spare. We're gonna mount it actually in the middle underneath the rear. So there you have it. We'll get that old girl on the road. I had to kind of purpose built this one because these ATVs breaking down is kind of a new thing. There's so many of them in the area now that we run into them more and more all the time, and they're 14 feet long. And some of the newer ones coming out are 76 inches wide and 14 feet long, so it takes a full-size dual axle trailer to get them loaded and get them home safely. So we're just still at the shop working down golden hour here. So thanks for joining us. Don't know if you got anything out of the day or not, but thanks for coming along and hanging out with us at the shop.